Hopefully you're here because you want to get an overview of your business objects environment. I'm going to show you how you can do this in less than 5 minutes. You simply need to complete the form to the right. This supports BI 4.2 SP3 or higher, so as long as you're on that version, this will work for you. The first thing we need to do is get the RESTful URL from your business objects environment. You can get this from the CMC, so let's log into the CMC. Okay, I'm logging into my CMC. First, you need to confirm that the web application container server is running. So I'm going to go to servers and servers list. Then you just want to verify that the web application container server is running. So mine's running and enabled, so that's going to be needed as well. Now we can get the RESTful URL. First go to applications and then scroll down to RESTful web service, right click, select properties, and here is your RESTful URL. This will be, typically it's the business object server. The default port used is 6405. Yours might be something different, which is fine. We just want to validate that it works, that this is a valid URL. So I'm going to copy this URL and paste it into another browser window so I can validate it. Okay, so I'm pasting in that URL. This is what you should expect to see. So this is an XML flow. So that means that the URL is valid. If you see something different, like a page not found or invalid URL or invalid page, then there's something wrong with that URL. There's maybe you need to look at the business object server, maybe the port's not correct, so you need to check on that. But if it is correct, we're just going to copy it and paste it into the assessment. Okay, so here I am in the assessment, and I'm going to paste that URL that I just copied. Now from here you have two options to run the test. You can use a login token. So this login token here, if I toggle this on, you'll be able to get some information. This link is to an SAP site that gives you more information about how to generate that login token. So you can choose to do that. I am going to toggle this off. So I'm just going to provide my user and password. I'm going to use the administrator account. You can use another account that is in the administrator group. And then I'm going to select enterprise. So you also have the option of LDAP and AD. So that's my authentication. And then from here, you're going to click take the test. Okay, so now the assessment's running, where you see the bolded text, that's what's currently running. My environment's pretty small, so mine's going to run pretty quick. If yours is a little larger, just be patient, give it a minute or so, it will return. Okay, and here are my results. So I see the number of reports per type, and I see the size of reports per type. If I hover over these bars, I get a breakdown with the Webby Crystal Excel, and then same thing on the other side. And then towards the bottom, I get information on user activity. So it's showing me users that have never connected, connected more than 6 months ago, or connected in the last 6 months. And if you scroll down further, you can export your results. So if I click export your results, this is going to export the results to a PDF document. Okay, and here are my results in a PDF. It's just 2 pages that show the information that was provided on the screen there, so you can save that information. Now I'm going to go back to the assessment. Now you can get recommendations that are specific to your environment. So all you need to do is provide your business email, accept the terms and conditions, and you can get that customized information. So I'm just going to provide my email, accept the terms and conditions, and click see my recommendations. So these recommendations are going to be customized for your environment, and it'll give you information about personal folders, inboxes, users, and there'll also be, each one of them will have a link. So it'll give you further information about maybe taking action for some of those, how to take action on some of those recommendations. So each of these does have a link. So, if you want to read through that and get some more information on how you can resolve, maybe if you've got some issues. In my case, the one that has a warning is the users, because 94% of my users have not been connected. I can get more information if I want by clicking the link. And we invite you to chat with us. If you want to leave us a message, click this chat link, leave us a message. You also can send us an email. We would love to hear from you.